Did you know that within just 7 seconds of meeting someone, they've already decided whether they like you or not? Yes, you heard that right. 7 seconds. That's all it takes for someone to make up their mind about you. But what if I told you there are proven psychological tricks that can make almost anyone like you instantly? Curious? Let's dive in. The first trick is all about the power of a simple gesture, the compliment sandwich. Here's how it works. Start with a genuine compliment, then slip in whatever request or suggestion you have and finish it off with another compliment. For example, I really admire how well you manage your time. I was wondering if you could help me with this project. Your input would be invaluable. This technique makes people more receptive because they feel valued and respected. Next up, we have the mirroring technique. This is where you subtly imitate the other person's body language, tone of voice, and even their choice of words. Studies show that people are naturally drawn to those who reflect their own behavior. It creates a sense of familiarity and trust, making the other person feel like you're on the same wavelength. Now, let's talk about the power of touch. No, I don't mean anything inappropriate, just a light tap on the arm or a friendly handshake. Physical touch, when done correctly, can build an instant connection. It triggers the release of oxytocin, the bonding hormone, which makes people feel closer to you. Our fourth trick is something you might already be doing without realizing, using their name. People love hearing their own name. It grabs their attention and makes the conversation feel more personal. So the next time you're talking to someone, make sure to sprinkle their name throughout the conversation. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Last but definitely not least is the Ben Franklin effect. This is where you ask someone to do a small favor for you. Psychologically, the person will start to like you more because they've invested in helping you out. It sounds counterintuitive, but it works. So there you have it. 5 simple yet powerful psychological tricks that can help you win people over in no time. Try them out and watch as your social circle grows effortlessly. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more insights into human behavior. See you in the next video.